So today is a new day. I put everything back yesterday, the last video. I was just getting way too hot. I went through like 8 bottles of water and just kept taking breaks. So I stopped off and I'm gonna pick back up today. What I'm gonna start on now is the wet sanding of the passenger side. Okay, this is a quick example. Like I said, I wet sanded all this side. Now, the stages that I use when wet sanding, everybody has their own style or their own way. I start with 800, then I go to 1000, 2500, 3000, and then 5000. So when I apply the first stage of 3M perfect, I just put a little bit on there and that's what I get. I haven't even done the second stages, the second and third stage whatsoever. So I'm gonna give you an example. Like on this door here, you see it's shiny here because it's part of I got some more in there. I just did the first stage of buffing. Now this part here has been cut already, and I'm going to buff this so you guys can see exactly how I do it. But I didn't want to bore you guys with a whole bunch of buffing. I'm pretty sure nobody really wants to see that. Some of us do, just to kind of learn how. That's how I learned, by watching the YouTube videos of how to buff and everything. I really had nobody to show me. But let's get started on this one here. So I just apply a small amount, and I make sure it's set to level 1, because if you have it high, it's going to sling it everywhere. And I'm gonna start from the top. I usually start from the bottom, but I want you guys to see. So I just smush it around first, so it won't get compound everywhere. And then I just slowly turn it on. Get the first spark on there first. Once I think it's all mixed in, I turn it up. All right, quick update. Yes, it is extremely hot. I think it's about 1 million or 10 million degrees outside. But I just want to give you guys a quick update. I did get the car sanded down all the way to the final, and I did the first stage 1 of the compound, and now I'm doing stage 2. I want to show you guys real quick. Let me see if I can show you here. Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. So, as you see, this door, the back door, and down the quarter or whatever behind the wheel, that's all been 100% done. Now you see the front fender is still like, it's not shiny as much as the other one. Let me see here. Trying to get you guys a better view there. You could tell from the fender, the front fender, it's not all the way there yet, and the hood definitely not. Let's see, get you a little closer. Yeah, I got my fan out, got my bench, because it's ridiculous. And the most thing I was kind of shocked for myself is the top. It looks like water almost. and it's dust on it right now. It's dusty. I mean, it's not perfect. It has some water spots in there for me, sweating like crazy, dripping down on it, trying to stop, and then the water coming out of the air gun, the spray gun, and that's, I mean, I have filters and all kind of stuff on it, but I still don't have a dryer, so that will, I'll still get water and condensation built up in there. And you can see the top looking pretty good. And I actually hate painting black paint, but I'm kind of happy with that. I can live with that. I can definitely live with that. Let's see here. Let's take you guys back over so we can see the rest of it here. So I'm tired actually. I'm thinking about just calling it for the day. So I gotta take all this stuff back down, my canopy and everything, and try to jump on it tomorrow after work. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything about my process, please let me know, and I will definitely get back with you. And thank you guys so much. Until next video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Later.